rupees 5000. Rima and Sheila are playing with 5 cards as shown in the figure. These are the 5 cards. Okay. What is the probability of Rima picking a card without saying that has number 3 on it? Okay. 3. Okay. So what is the formula for probability? It is required upon total or favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So what are the favorable outcomes? We want 3. How many 3 are there in these 5 cards? Only 1. So required is 1 and total is what? 5. So 1 upon 5 is the answer. Either 1 upon 5 or 0.2, whatever it is given in the exam. Next. In a school, only 2 out of 5 students can participate in a competition. What is the probability of the students who do not make it to the competition? Means we want the probability of the students who cannot participate. Okay. 2 out of 5. So total is 5. So participate 2. Not participate 3. What is the formula for probability? Required upon total or favorable outcomes upon total. But what is favorable for us? Favorable is not making up to the competition, means not participate. So not participate upon total 3 upon 5. If if it's given 3 upon 5, mark this or solve this and you will get 0.6. The given pie chart represents the distribution of proteins in the parts of the human body. This is a pie chart and these are the distribution of proteins in various parts of the body. Muscles, skins, bones, hormones, enzymes and others. That is the remaining part. Okay. What is the ratio of distribution of proteins in muscles to that of the proteins in bones? Distribution of proteins in muscles to that of the distribution of proteins in bones. Okay. This is not a probability problem. Remember this. So required ratio equals to proteins in muscles. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoga app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.